Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let us say a prayer to thanks to Allah who has allowed me to convey some of the word, and I will convey in this video. And don't forget the praise complete by the greeting that we offer to our King, namely the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And secondly, thank you to all of you who have watched my video, and I hope what I say can be useful for all of you. Okay, before starting the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Mudlatul Aziza from IKIP Silwangi Mathematics Education Study Program Class A1 2022. Today, I'd like to present about the taboo of education in rural areas. Why I took this topic is because, in my opinion, there are several factors due to the lack of education in remote areas. What is education? Education is conscious effort to prepare students through guidance, teaching, and or training activities for their roles in future. Education is one of the main factors in determining the progress of a nation. With a high level of education, that asserting human records will be better, and in the creative power of Indonesia children will be higher in contributing to the development of a nation. However, in Indonesia, achieving good and quality education that meets national standard is still quite difficult. There are various challenges for our country to provide good education service, especially in areas where education service are very minimal, namely in rural or remote areas. How education in rural areas? Improving the quality of national education is often hampered by various existing problems, especially in rural or remote areas in contrast to education in urban areas. In general, in terms of facilities and infrastructure, schools in urban areas are far superior to schools in rural areas. Meanwhile, in several rural areas, there are still many children whose education is still not stable. The high school, the dropout rate in rural areas is very worrying. There are also problems with inadequate facilities and infrastructure and a shortage of teachers in the area. The problem is 1. Lack of infrastructure. One the factor that influence the unequal distribution of educational facilities and infrastructure in school in the lack of coordination between the central government and regional of government. Sometimes the process of supervising and controlling education carried out by the central government does not reach remote areas. 2. Uncertain curriculum. If the curriculum is not developed, it will be difficult to overcome situations that are rapidly changing and full of uncertainty, which is an important component in facing the centre of science and information technology. 3. Lack of professional teacher. The low level of professionalism of teacher can be caused by a number of factors, including the low level of education they have taken in preparing for their position, although it can still be questioned and proven that teachers have a high level of education and sometimes teachers lack professionalism due to lack of experience in teaching and learning. 4. lack of school in remote areas. There are many aspects that cause remote areas to have low level of education, including the lack of sufficient facilities to support the learning process. The lack of teaching staff is also a factor causing low education in remote areas, and because of the influence of the distance from the surrounding population. People who should enjoy available knowledge are hampered by these problems. Things that can be done to overcome educational problems are providing outreach to the community regarding the urgency of education, recording 12 years of education, improving the quality of teacher, completing education, facilities and infrastructure in remote school, and there are efforts from the government in improve education in remote areas, including providing budget assistance in education such as BOS, School of Operational Assistance, Bidik Misi Assistant, Smart Indonesia Card or KIP, and others, especially in school in rural areas. Okay, at the end of this time, I will read the conclusion of everything. The conclusion of everything is how education is from the future, because getting a decent education in not only in urban areas but remote residents such as those in rural areas have the right to get it. Okay, maybe until here my presentation. Sorry for my mistake, and thanks for watching my video. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.